Something is happening with interstellar object 3I Atlas, and scientists are worried. It's speeding up, but not in any way a normal comet should. Its acceleration doesn't match comets, asteroids, anything we know, and the numbers don't add up. This is only the third interstellar visitor ever detected, after Oumuamua and Borisov, but Atlas behaves stranger than both. Its spectrum is dark, carbon-rich, almost featureless, and its shape, cracked, fractured, looks like a fragment of something bigger. Here's the real problem. 3I Atlas is accelerating, but not toward the sun, and not like a comet. Something is pushing it, from the inside or from behind, and we can't see it. The numbers don't match any natural model. If this were a normal comet, the math would be simple. But 3I Atlas is drifting off course in a way no comet ever has. Normally, comets speed up when sunlight boils their ice, releasing jets that act like tiny thrusters. It's predictable, it's measurable, and it's visible. But 3I Atlas shows almost no outgassing at all. No jets, no vapor, no visible plume. Nothing that could explain acceleration. Something is pushing it, and whatever it is, it's invisible to us. Scientists have proposed a few explanations. Hypothesis 1, an ultra-porous foam-like body. If 3I Atlas is extremely light, sunlight alone could push it off course. But such a fragile structure shouldn't survive interstellar space, let alone arrive intact. Hypothesis 2, hidden outgassing. It might be venting gas from deep internal fractures we can't see, but without a visible coma, that explanation doesn't hold up. Hypothesis 3, exotic interstellar chemistry. Some scientists think 3I Atlas contains unusual ices or carbon compounds that vaporize differently from anything in our solar system. If true, it would mean the object formed in an environment we've never seen before. Hypothesis 4, a fragment of a destroyed world. If 3I Atlas came from a shattered planet, moon, or comet in another system, its broken, fractured shape would finally make sense, and its behavior would be unlike anything we've seen. And this isn't the first time something like this has happened. In 2017, Oumuamua showed the same unexplained acceleration, with no jets, no tail, and no visible source of thrust. 3I Atlas is repeating the pattern, only stranger. Both objects share the same strange pattern. Long and fractured, dark and carbon-rich, fast, on hyperbolic escape paths, and neither shows the gas jets we'd expect from a normal comet. So now scientists are asking a bigger question. Are these objects fragments of a whole class of interstellar debris we haven't discovered yet? And here's the real problem. 3I Atlas is already on a hyperbolic escape trajectory. Once it leaves our solar system, we may never get another chance to study anything like it again. Another visitor from deep space. And once again, we may be losing our only chance to understand what it really was. If you like this video, subscribe.